Okay, so happy birthday in advance kay Francis Ian Mangrobang sa June 6, no? So, Friday. O, tama pre, ang birthday mo pala ay holiday. So, napakaswerte mo. Holiday sa buong Pilipinas dahil nataon na isang Muslim festival yung i-declare, yung sineselebrate sa araw ng birthday mo. But napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. I mean, congratulations on your new business and to your other business venture. Sana mag-succeed. And to your wife's business also, sana ganun din. Hope you continue to have a good family life. Again, my apologies for my adversary. Alam mo na kung sino yon, yung adversary ko, to have ever bothered you for that nonsense. Humihingi ako ng apologies doon. Habang buhay akong hihingi ng apology sa'yo dahil doon. So, again, happy birthday in advance. More birthdays to come, and God bless.